Mapping our neighborhood. Answer the following questions. What is your address? Is there any landmark nearby your house? If yes, what is it? Sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing of a locality, colony, school, or any other place. Map. A map is the pictorial drawing of an area on a paper. Maps help us to locate places easily. They give us a view of various places, buildings, roads, railway lines, water bodies, etc. A map shows directions in relation to the sun. A book of map is called an atlas. Maps are of two types: political, physical. Components of a map. Important components of a map are directions, landmarks, symbols, colors, and map scale. Directions. While locating a place, we sometimes move forward and sometimes backward. Sometimes we move to the left and at other times to the right. We need to move in the correct direction. Directions are very important to study maps. There are 4 main directions on a map: north, south, east, and west. Top of the map is north. Bottom of the map is south. To our right is east. To our left is west. Apart from the main directions, there are 4 sub-directions. Northeast, between north and east. Southeast, between south and east. Southwest, between south and west. Northwest, between north and west. Landmarks. Landmarks are important points or places of reference that help us to locate a place. These places could be houses, markets, hospitals, schools, etc. When we are telling someone the way to a particular place, we should be accurate, or else they could get lost. Sign, symbols, and colors. We cannot show the landmarks in their actual form in a map. Therefore, we use certain symbols and colors to represent them. These symbols and signs are easy to draw and cover a small area in the map. Look at some such symbols and signs. Apart from signs and symbols, different colors are used to represent different landforms and water bodies on the map. For example, plains are represented in green, deserts in yellow, while mountains and highlands are represented in brown. Oceans are represented in shades of blue. Look at these color schemes and their meaning on the map. Look at the following map. Scale. We cannot show the actual size of the earth on a map, so we use scales in maps. Maps are drawn according to scale. The ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map is known as the scale of a map. In the given map, Raju's house, temple, and different roads have been shown. The ratio of the distance is also given. Find out the shortest distance between Raju's house and the temple. Points to remember. A map is a pictorial drawing of an area on a paper. A map has different components: direction, landmarks, symbols, colors, and map scale. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. There are 4 sub-directions: northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. Most commonly known places or buildings are referred to as landmarks. We denote some important places on a map by using symbols and colors. Map scale is the relationship between distance on the map and distance on the ground.